Hi everyone, my name is Willie Chan, and I'm the Program Manager of the School of Hotel and Tourism Management at the Hong Kong Polytechnic University. First of all, welcome to the Master of Science in Global Hospitality Business Program. As you know, you'll be coming to Hong Kong to study in January 2018. And that's why I'm here to brief you on how to complete the application form for study in Hong Kong. I would like you to complete this form before I arrive in MGH so that when I do the presentation, you have completed this form already. And I also want you to submit this form to me during the intro week in MGH. Okay, now let's go through the form section by section. Okay, please look at the screen behind me for more information. Okay, we'll start with page 1. If you look at the screen now, you see part A. It says application for study in Hong Kong, and then number 1, personal particulars. This is fairly easy. Please insert the relevant information. If you have a Chinese name, please insert a Chinese name. If you do not, just skip this part. For all the other columns and sections, they are self-explanatory. You can just insert the information as provided in the form behind you. Okay, for students coming from mainland China, please also insert your mainland identity card number here. For this next part, travel document type, travel document number, and so on. For all students, please insert your passport number, and place of issue, etc. into this form. For students coming from mainland China, please leave this part blank for the time being. I'll talk to you later on in person on how to complete this part. Okay, let's move on. For email, contact telephone number, and country and territory of domicile, please insert the relevant information. For this part, please tick yes for everybody. And then for the length of residence, please insert the number of years that you have lived in that country. For example, if you're from Spain, please list out the number of years you have lived in Spain. If you come from Jamaica, please tell us how many years you have lived in Jamaica, etc. Okay? And for occupation, everybody should insert the word student. Okay? It should be the same for everybody. Okay? And then for this next part, is the applicant currently staying in Hong Kong? Please tick no. Okay? Everybody should be ticking this box, no. And this is the bottom of page 1. Please put in the date and then sign here. Sign your own name here, okay? Now we move on to page 2. Please insert your present address here. You should insert your address in the country where you come from. For example, if you come from Spain, like I said earlier, please insert your address in Spain. If you come from Jamaica, please insert your address in Jamaica. And then for the next part, proposed date in Hong Kong for study. For proposed date of entry, please insert 1st of January 2018. Everyone should be the same, okay? And then for the proposed duration of study, it should be 8 months. Everyone, again, should insert the same information here. Now let's move on. We can skip this part. And then we go all the way down to the bottom of page 2. Again, please insert the same date and sign your name here. Before I move to page 3, remember there's a box here that says photograph. You should provide 2 photographs to me with the specifications shown on this form. It should not be larger than 55 millimeters times 45 millimeters and no smaller than 50 meters times 40 millimeters. Okay? Please take a look at these specifications and make sure you provide the correct specifications of your photograph. Please give me 2 photographs in case, okay, just in case. I need 2 photographs from you. And now we're in page 3. Please insert Hong Kong Polytechnic University for the first part, and then MSc in Global Hospitality Business for this next part. This should all be the same for everybody. And then next, for your education and professional qualifications, please insert 2 lines only. Make it simple. The first line should show your high school, name of the high school, and then the years, period of study for a high school. And the next part should be your university, where you obtain your bachelor's degree. And then don't make it too complicated, just 2 lines, okay? Your high school and the university where you obtain your bachelor's. And then for the next part, applicants at the estimated cost of living in Hong Kong, please insert these numbers. They should all be the same for everybody. Remember, these numbers are in Hong Kong dollars, okay? Hong Kong dollars. So everybody should be inserting exactly the same figures here. Please follow this. For the next part, financial situation of the applicant. Again, this amount is in Hong Kong dollars. Then you should convert whatever you have or your parents have in your account into Hong Kong dollars. The amount should be no less than this figure, 220,000. Okay, it should be at least equal to or larger than this number. Okay. And finally, for number A, information on previous short-term studies in Hong Kong, please take no. Everybody should be ticking this box, no. And now we're in the bottom of page 3. Please insert the same date and then sign your name here again. Finally, we are on page 4. Please follow these instructions and tick the first box here, like you see here in the back of the screen. Tick the first box, tick the first box, and tick the first box. And then again, please provide official documents if you have changed your names. I assume that nobody has changed your name before, so there's no need to provide any official documents. And then this takes us all the way down to page 4, which is the final page of this application form. Again, please insert the date here, the same date, and then sign your name here. Okay, and finally, remember, we will be sending you the soft copy of this application form by the end of this week. Okay, as soon as you have received it, please start to complete this form. Don't wait, okay? I want you to complete this form before my briefing session next week in EHL in front of you, so that by the time when you see me, you should have completed the form already and ask questions regarding only certain parts, rather than asking me questions, what is this form, where can I get it, how do I fill this part or that part. You should have already filled out or completed the majority, if not the entire form, okay? And also in the email that I'll be sending to you with this application form, I'll be sending you other notes as well, or other attachments that I will remind you what documents that you should provide together with this form. When I see you on that day on the briefing, you should have completed this form already, plus the documents that I'll be asking you to provide together with the application form at the date, at the time of the presentation in EHL. So finally, before I say goodbye, I hope every one of you will enjoy a very happy semester in EHL, and I will see you very, very soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.